In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment using Microsoft Outlook. This is a simple task that will help you stay organized and ensure you never miss an important meeting or event. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Outlook. If you're not already there, simply locate the Outlook icon on your desktop or in your applications list and open it. Once you have Outlook up and running, you'll be greeted by your inbox. The next step is to navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll want to find the section labeled New Items. This is where you'll begin the process of creating your new appointment. Click on New Items, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From the options provided, look for and select Appointment. This selection will open up a new window, allowing you to enter all the essential details for your upcoming meeting or event. Now here's where you can really make this appointment your own. In the appointment window, start by entering a title for your appointment. This title should be descriptive enough that you know exactly what the appointment is about just by glancing at it. Is it a project meeting? A lunch date? Be sure to enter enough information here to make it clear. Below the title field, you'll see an option for the location. If your appointment has a specific location, go ahead and enter it here. This can be as detailed as an office number or as simple as a conference room name. Moving down, you'll find the start time and end time fields. Click on these to set the precise times for when your appointment begins and ends. Make sure to double check these as they are crucial for ensuring your schedule runs smoothly. After all, you wouldn't want to accidentally schedule 2 appointments for the same time. Once you've entered the basic details, it's time to set a reminder to alert you before the appointment begins. Head over to the Options group in the ribbon at the top of the appointment window. There, you'll find the Reminder setting. Click on it and choose how far in advance you'd like Outlook to notify you. This could be anywhere from 5 minutes before to a week or more, whatever works best for your planning needs. Finally, review all the information you've entered to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and save your appointment by clicking the Save and Close button in the top left corner of the window. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled an appointment in Microsoft Outlook. You've now got a reliable plan in place, all ready to go. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to keep your calendar up to date for maximum productivity. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.